Hi everyone, it's Damien for another video. So on the last video that I did, um, I actually set this project locally as a Whittle project, which was, like I said, the second version of the Whittle project, which which we did 2017, which was about skill swapping or trading, or I don't know. I think there is another way to say it in English. In French the word is troc, if you want to truck something. I haven't seen it with English accent. So it's le troc, voilà, ça s'appelle du troc. And yeah, so I'm trying to find a way. I think there was another way to say it. There is trading, there is swapping, and I think there is another way, but I forgot. Troc. Barter, yeah, barter. A website about barter, to barter things basically. So, and yeah, and last night, I mean, on the last video, I said the project was the last version of Rails, which is I don't know, 5.2.3, I think, if I remember well. Yeah, 5.2.3, which is not the sixth version, because actually the sixth version is not out yet, which I thought it was, but is not, but I think it's not gonna take time to get out. And like I said, I'm not gonna touch that much the project, or at least what has been done already. I'm just going to add like what I did on the first project, the NoPapers one, the one called NoPapers, which is absolutely, I mean, not really the same, but I think at the end of the day I will rename this project to call it Retard or something. And yeah, so on the NoPapers thing project, I made a class, not a class, but a model called customer, which I said, probably I don't remember which video, but I said it wasn't supposed to be called customer, because it's actually not customer. It's basically an enterprise, because everybody who want to use the project, because yeah, everybody who wants to use a project will entering their company stuff, like address and probably IBAN, and I don't know what else, to in order to be able to do like invoices and maybe contract and stuff like that. So that's what I want to do, and so I'm just going to replicate actually this model called customer, which is not like very big. I don't remember what I put in it. No, it's actually not there. I have to go to the schema. Oh, I don't want to do that. I just want to do, come on. Yeah, I want to see the schema. So there was address, the zip code, the name, and and I'm gonna add maybe something, um, probably like IBAN code or something like that, because that's pretty much what you need to do an invoice. You don't really need anything else, because when you're gonna invoice another company, you just have to tell them what is your address. and what is your IBAN basically. Uh, or at least not only your IBAN, but maybe information related to where the bank account of the company is set up. The banking details basically. And so I don't know if I'm going to do that right here. I might. I don't know if I'm going to call a class. I'm going to make another model for it, like banking details, and these banking details will belong to this enterprise table, or at least the model. Um, I don't think I need any more information. You know what? It's Rails, so let's start to sketch things, and I will ask myself this question later on. So I'm just gonna add, yeah, the IBAN. Let's see. I think like banking details, like yeah, you can add that, but the RIP and everything. I don't really need that actually. Uh, 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 um, I mean, yeah. Do I really need all of that? Maybe yes. And sometimes doesn't apply. Like, for example, when you are in in France, you don't have sort code. You don't have probably. You have the BIC. You have the IBAN. But the sort code, we don't have that. But in UK and probably in the US, we have that. So let's start with the IBAN first, because this is basically the key to recognize a bank account. It's like the main key to recognize a bank account. So I'm just gonna put that right here. I mean, not on this one, but on this project actually. So I'm gonna sketch another. Um, so I think it's Rails J model. I don't know if I should call it enterprise. I will call it company actually. Let's see. I think, and there is a scaffold thing because I don't want to. Rails scaffold model. I don't remember. Oh, it's not here. Maybe. Okay. It's going to create a record, a controller, test for it. Okay, so that's what I want to do actually. So I'm going to copy paste that. And I'm going to call it company. And I will put what I said, the name of the company. Oh my god. Name, string, I said something else as well. I lost, no, I didn't lost it. Address, which is string as well. I don't know. Yeah, 2D. String and zip code. Yeah. And which is string as well. And I'm gonna add the email, which is string. I think we're good with that. Company. My computer is so slow. I think I have to restart it because it's been quite a long time. I didn't reboot it, so it might help as well. But usually I go to work, get back home, I just go on my computer, I work, and then go to sleep, and I don't. Oh, what is that? Override. Well, I don't know. Into H for help. I don't know. Because what is in there? Oh, it's probably something I think I never used, but because I changed the Rails version, so it might change a little bit. I think because I don't think I used that actually, but I'm not completely sure. Well, you know what? I can revert anyway, so let's do that. And so I've got my controller, so I guess I have my thing. Oh, I have the root as well, which is new score. I don't even remember what I did here. That doesn't matter. Uh, it's saying that it's weird. Where is it? Force create root resource company resource. Where is it? I don't actually see. Let's see that. Oh, git diff. Um, can I do it on a single thing? No, where is it? Where is the root file? Oh, it's not in app. It's actually config. Root. Let's see. Yeah, but I don't. Oh, it's actually here. That's why I didn't see it. All right, so I'm good. Let me check my controller, my model, my controller. It's very like normal controller, nothing special here. Okay, so now I think I have to do something raise or regdb migrate to migrate. I didn't actually control the thing, but it should be fine. I mean, I'll check it out. Because usually I look what is in the migration file. db migrate, where is a new one? Well, nothing special here, so it's fine. And then I should be able to run the app and see the differences, but it shouldn't have any. I'm just going to go through companies to see what's going on. Okay, now, so it's actually running. If I do that, should be working as well. So slow, my goodness. Yes, now if I go to like companies, okay, so it's not in the scope actually. Okay, so if I do that, alright, so you can see that I'm able to like go to all of that. Thing is, now I want to like make this look a little bit better using Bootstrap as usual. So the form is actually that. Let's see what I did in the last form, which I don't really like, but why not? We'll use that anyway. I think it was. Where was it? It was. Yeah. So I'm gonna use that, which I don't really like, and I think I did it in other. If I look at other views, like I don't know. Well, yeah, maybe on the sign up thing. I think there is a view dedicated to device. I just don't know where it is now, but I think it should be there though. But okay, this is our device right here. And like, if you want to register, I think I did something. Yeah, I actually did it like that as well. So that's fine. Fine. Oh. And I think where is it? I think in there. Oh, request color. I don't even know, man. I'm just gonna use a button just to, was it like this? Submit. Yeah. Thing is, here I didn't actually. Okay. So I have to put a name on it. How can I call it? Register. Not register, but like. Yeah, I mean, let's call it create, like. Now, if I refresh, should be fine. Oops. Okay, I have two thing right here. Already better. Now I have to. I did all of that. Now let's see. Here and copy paste this. I don't actually. Is there a direct? Oops. Come on. There is one missing here. So this is CD for sign up, which is not called sign up anymore, but it's called well, it could be actually. I mean, it's not part of the sign up, but it's a page where the companies entering their data will be redirected to at first after signing up. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna call it like your company details. I call it that way. If I do that, what is it doing? Oh, that's why. Well, it could stay that way too. I mean, it's not. Yeah, let's keep it that way. Let's see. I mean, I will probably update that later on. I think there is a word somewhere that I don't see. Yes, there's a back button here. But the thing is, I don't. Where is that back button? If blah blah blah. Yes, and then oh, because it's not here actually, it's there. So I should maybe I've done that here. Maybe. Or maybe not. Let's see. actually right here. Well, it's not really what I wanted to do, but it's fine. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, because that's yeah, I get it. I don't know. I don't think if I don't know if I have like other messages, and everything has been done. Yeah, everything has been done pretty much using pop-up. So that's probably, yeah. You see here. Oh, I actually did nothing here. At the same time, I'm trying to pick up the project, guys. So sorry if I'm kind of slow. Though I wasn't either an expert on Rails, but yeah, picking up the project and not having done a Rails app since quite a long time now. And new, and there is nothing in the new thing. Okay, maybe it should stay that way so far. And if I go back, thing is, a button is right here. I don't really like it. Don't really like it here. What is our profile stuff? Companies. Where maybe I have done some stuff. Here's a form. The form is actually empty and it's done using model. That's why I will probably not get the same result because the form is using model. So, if I go there, there's nothing here, and there's a new, and that's why as well, yeah. So, yeah, I mean, the only, can I actually, yeah, you can go, can I actually use, yes, this isn't a new thing, unless I put it here. Directly in the form, but at the same time it's not. If I do that, I have a back thing. Well, I can keep it here so far. It just, yeah, I will remove that. Oops. Oh, that's how you comment Ruby code into .erb file. I didn't know that. That's okay. Cool. Cool. So you should not be here anymore. Here we go. oh my god. Yeah, I'm fine. I mean, it's fine. It's not, yeah, that stuff that has to be um like has to be renewed, but it's fine. What else can I do? I can probably do a link for that. Um, so I'll have to go. Why do I? Yeah, all those stuff open. Um, layout. Here we go. Oh, okay. Bunch of code here. Why did I comment all of that? It's probably because I don't need it. But yeah, I'm not gonna touch it. What is that? Okay, I see. I want you to add the link when the user is actually. Well, it's not when you connect. Sort of, yeah. Let's when user sign in, you do that. And if all of that is when the user is signing in actually. And damn, that's a lot. Now it can be here. If user and sign in, it's here, and what if the user is not? How is that? Yeah, it's already here, but why is that here actually? It's probably some mistake that I did. Well, let's see. If I do, well, it's not that, but it'll be. Do I do it when you are signed up actually? When you signed up? When you are signed in? Yeah, I mean, it will probably change your details. Well, I don't really think about that now. But at the same time, because this is a page where as soon as you sign up, you will activate your account and then you will be able to sign in. And as soon as you sign in, you have to get redirected to that page. Oh, well, I don't really think about that because the user interface is not defined yet. So let's call it well, we can actually use the stuff because I made them. So should have something called layout or something. Layout, here we go. Company new, yeah, let's call it new company, maybe. Or maybe, I don't know, maybe here, new company. Well, let's actually keep it that way. Let's do the same for the French thing. New company. How did I? That's too long. It's not enter create company or that also too long, but why not? It's just for the beginning anyway, so it's fine. This will probably change later on. And it's not that, it's surely companies or company. I think should be, oh come on. I think it should be fine, but I'm not sure. So let's see what's going on with that. Let's see. Yeah, it shouldn't be here, should be here. Well, it shouldn't even be here actually. It should be somewhere here. Like you have your link and navbar right. If I actually copy that, to somewhere maybe here, what does it do? Yeah. And what if I want to do it? That is a drum down thing, but like here maybe? Does it work? Oh. Okay. Maybe. No. Alright, so I will have to put it right here. Thing is, I don't really need that drop. What did I do here? Okay. So I don't need that. Let's see what's going on with that actually. Okay, fine. Oh, it's because what did I do here actually? My God. I don't know why I did that. But why not? And then let's see. Okay, so here I have my link. I actually don't need any drop down thing, and I don't need that. So I put that here. LE class active, blah blah blah, span, whatever. So this one I don't need, and this one I don't need. Okay, looks better. And if you go there, we'll have that. Thing is, I just don't want. I just don't want to have this big thing at the top, which is really annoying. Is it that? Nope. Layout, profile, companies. Is it this one? Yes. Get rid of that for the moment. Don't really need that. Oh, this is actually the list of company, but do you, well, do you really want to see the list? That's the thing. Yeah, what can I do? Yep. Do I need to see the list of companies? Hmm. I don't know. And then a company will have a contract. Well, let's just stop right here. because I'm trying to emerge at the same time into the um, the workflow of this of the web application. Because we actually, I mean, I did some drawing, but it's not complete yet, and sort of, it's actually the first time that I'm doing yeah, I'm doing not a project. The project is pretty much done. I just have to add features to it. But it's sort of like a new thing, a new feature, and it's my first time doing a feature without having full, very good idea of what the design will be about and how and what will be the workflow. You see, so that's why I'm hesitating like that, because I think anyway this page should be, oh yeah, but you've seen it. This page should be a page where you are redirected to, where you will be redirected to for entering your company information, so that um, you will you will enter your information and you will be able to uh, how to say, produce a PO for another company, or a contract, and an invoice and stuff like that. I mean, all the paperwork. Yep. Let's commit that way. I don't know if I should push it at the same time. I would like to see it on my phone, but I already know the rendering because it's pretty much the same rendering as it was before. Um, so maybe, is there a way? Where is this controller thing? Because I know I did. I'm not sure it's here, but I know I did something to be redirected directly to a page, and it's probably, it might be on another project actually. It's before, because when I was doing this project, this Whittle project, I didn't know about this thing, like the how to do a yeah, how to redirect directly after signing up. So that's probably why. Come on. So if I go to my repo, I should have a class called something registration stuff, or I don't know, customize registration controller or something. But I don't really remember which project it was. It's probably, I'm not sure it was that. It might be, but I'm not sure. Yeah, this is the one. Yeah, where you actually, oh, that's, yeah, that is not really that. Because you will sign up and then it might not be this project actually. Because there was no redirection done. Which project was it? I don't remember. Let's see. Is not that. Definitely not that. I think I might maybe just see. No, it wasn't that. It might be this one, maybe. I'm not sure at all. Or maybe it was on the first one, on the Vita thing, on the first version actually. Let's see. Controllers. You've got this one. Yeah, this. I did pretty much this thing. Might. No. Contract application. Yeah. I think, yeah, this is it. This is what I'm looking for. Yeah, this is what I'm looking for. So when you get, yeah, you redirect to the right URL according to the user role. But it's not according to the user role. It will be, well, it will be according to whether, yeah, whether you connect or whether you want to use the app as a company perspective or as a Lambda user. And the Lambda user will probably end up create. Yeah, the Lambda user is a user which will be able to basically open tickets and say, okay, I have this problem in my house, for example, like the plumber thing. I have a leak in my house, so I'm opening a ticket, and then some company is going to come to me, even though it might be a freelance, but a freelance is still a sort of company, a micro company. So a company might come to me and say, "Hey, I can fix your problem." So if you will have to have the choice when you sign up, whether you want to sign up as um, a company or as a Lambda user. And if you sign up as a Lambda, no, if you sign up as a company, you will be redirected to the page I showed you before, where you enter your company details. If you sign up as a Lambda person, as a Lambda user, well, you don't really have to have a lot of. I mean, you don't need to have more information than that. Like, you just sign up. You don't, yeah. So that the thing. I have to add. Where is it? Where is the schema here? Schema. I probably will have to add a field to the user. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Yes, there is that. And I think a user as a profile, which is skills and stuff. Mm, yeah. Yeah, here I will have to, yeah. I will have to add a boolean here saying company yes or company false, and according to that, you will be redirecting, redirected, sorry, to the correct page. So it's basically to the user role. So this is actually what I have to do. Where is it? Yeah, I have to do something like this. All right, I have my thoughts. So let's commit that way, or maybe not commit that way, but you know, well, even though I do it on a branch, it will not change anything because I will end up committing on the master. Yeah, let's get status. Well, I quite had a lot of things here, but yeah, why not? I think I find push. Another thing I have to do as well is to write tests. Git push origin. And I think the other one was git push error crew master like that. Okay, so if I go on the live version, should be able to, yeah, oops, oh, I know why. I didn't actually migrate the thing. I have to do a, oh my god, I think it's Heroku, Heroku console, I think. Is it console? Huh. Oh, I might. Or maybe not. I don't know. Yeah, I don't remember. Lodging production environment. If I do uh, rake db migrate, I don't know if it's gonna work. Yeah, I think it might be actually Heroku run rake db migrate. It might be that, but I'm not sure. Oh, yeah, it's actually that. And now, if I refresh that, yep, it's working. Yeah, for this company, let's try name like I don't know. Let's create our own company. Oh, that's fine. Something like that. Let's see. Yeah, it's working. It's fine. Yeah. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'm going to stop the video here. I probably do another one to do the thing I was talking about, to add another field to the user, but I might give it a little bit of thought, because that means, I mean, it doesn't really change that much actually about the first page. You just have to connect, and whether you are a company or, yeah, it's something. Yeah, I mean, I will think about it. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye.